Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So before starting this video, let me ask you one thing. When you start conversation with someone, do you feel stuck in pronunciation? Maybe you know the word, maybe you know the meaning of the word, but when it's time to speak, when it's time to pronounce, you feel stuck, you feel shy, and maybe you don't know how to pronounce. If happens something like that, don't worry, because I had some problem same like that. So in this video I will show you how I improved my pronunciation skills, and how you can improve your pronunciation easily, faster and naturally. I will show you how I improved my pronunciation step by step, and actually what worked for me. If anyone want to speak English fluently, then they will start to think first how to pronounce. In front of anyone, this question comes first: how to pronounce, how to improve my pronunciation. If you are new here and you want to more lessons, you want to improve your pronunciation, then you can subscribe this channel for daily English tips, ideas and lessons. Actually, many learners believe that good pronunciation means having a native accent, but that's not true. Actually, you don't need American accent, you don't need British accent. You just need clear pronunciation, clear words pronunciation. Actually, your goal is communication. Communicate with anyone. If you focus on British accent, if you focus on American accent, then easily you will be distracted. But if you focus just communication, you can easily achieve, and you can easily speak English fluently. Not 100% like British accent, not 100% like American accent, but at least you can improve your English fluency in your native language. So I decided to improve my pronunciation, just clear pronunciation. I didn't follow any country's culture, just focus on pronunciation. I thought if I pronounce well, clear pronunciation, then everyone can understand easily. So that's my goal is communicate with anyone. So if you want to improve your speaking English, you can try to improve your pronunciation with your style. Should be clear pronunciation. So that was my biggest mistake in the beginning when I started to learn. I also same like that you and many people are trying to improve their speaking English. When I started to realize from that day I have to improve just clear pronunciation. I don't want to speak like that Americans are Britishers. I have to speak English first, same like what I want to speak first. After that, when I have time, I can improve myself like that Americans and Britishers. But first, I have to speak what and how I can speak first. At least I stopped feeling pressure, because in the beginning when I started to speak, and when I started to pronounce any difficult word, any word, yes, I was making a lot of mistakes. So I was thinking that at least I removed and reduced my pressure, like that pressure what I feel when I started to speak English with anyone. At least pressure reduced, and I realized that something important. I don't need perfection. I don't need perfect English like Americans or Britishers. I just thought I have to speak first. I have to speak what I want. because I realized if I follow myself and then I can speak English naturally, because I realized I don't need perfect English. I just need what what I want to speak, what I want to express myself. Just imagine if you are speaking something and people don't understand. Do you think that works? No. But if you speak something, clear pronunciation, if you speak in English very clearly, and every kind of people they understand well, that means your pronunciation works. So, like that, I changed myself. I try to speak clear pronunciation first. So I will suggest to every learners, don't chase yourself in different countries, culture, style. If you live in anywhere in the world, just try to speak according to yourself first. What you want to exact pronounce. You will see you can speak English faster. Secondly, I listened more than I spoke. So pronunciation will improve when you speak. Before speaking, you have to listen first. You have to improve your listening first. Then you will understand easily how you have to pronounce the word. You know what I did? When I was talking with someone, then I was listening carefully how they are pronouncing anyone. And when I was watching videos on YouTube, when I was listening something, songs, podcast, then I was listening carefully. Actually, I was also watching news interviews, so that was my favorite uh, programs, like on BBC and other news channels. NDTV in India very popular, so I was watching that time in English, and India Today. So mostly I was focusing on listening and watching news interviews, actually, when guest comes and they are discussing on specific topic. So those type of news I chosen to improve my speaking English. So that works for my pronunciation, how I can improve, and conversations, podcasts, news, YouTube videos, and many things like that. So I was focusing on listening first, because before listening I can't understand actually the word, how to pronounce effectively any words. So like that, confusion, doubts comes in the beginning when you start speaking English. If you start learning English and you want to speak like a native speaker, then should focus on clear pronunciation. Yes, I used shadowing method to improve my pronunciation. That's true. That was the most powerful techniques to improve pronunciation. Just listen and repeat. If you are listening to anyone, any speaker, and anywhere, any source, just listen and repeat like that then. Definitely it will work fantastic, and you can improve your English fluency easily, faster, like other ways. For example, you are listening to speaker and speaker says, how are you doing today? Just repeat like that then. How are you doing today? And yes, I copied a lot, and it's really helped me, my pronunciation, rhythm, intonation, stress, and even helped me to improve my vocabulary. You can try. Shadowing practice is really amazing practice way to improve English pronunciation. Practice sentences. Many learners says that how to practice. I'll say I tried myself. Just choose one word and try to make a sentence easily. Suppose that listen. You have one word, but you can make a sentence. Even you can make a simple sentence if you want to make a long and big sentence. So like this, I don't just practice word. I practice sentence making together. This way I improve my pronunciation with any words. This helped me sound more natural and practical to connect with words. I spoke slower. Many learners think if I speak too faster, then sound fluent. But I think, in my opinion, if you speak slower and clear, that would be effective and attractive conversation. Actually, speaking too fast often reduces clarity. So, if you choose to speak English faster, then you can increase your unclarity. So, if you speak slower, then you can speak more clarity, more natural and effectively. But if you are a beginner, then you try to choose slower pronunciation, slow speed. So like that what I choose in my speaking English speaking journey. So like that I improved my pronunciation with clear and understand easy to understand for everybody. Like that I felt more confident and natural. In real life, if you are practicing English and you don't practice clear pronunciation, then your partner, or if you are talking with someone, they can't understand clear. I'm sure that small changes will improve and increase your English pronunciation skills. Even though you can improve your listening, because you will practice and you will listen to yourself, then you can update, you can upgrade, you can fix your pronunciation. Like that way you can impress by yourself. You will feel like that, yes, I spoke clear pronunciation. This way your partner, or if you are talking with someone, they can impress. So like this, improving pronunciation is not a talent, it's about practice. You can improve your listening, you can improve your shadowing practice. How to shadowing? Even you can record yourself, you can judge yourself, and how to speak clearly. So now tell me, what is your biggest pronunciation challenge? Is it clarity, is it confidence, it is difficult words? Comment below, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe this channel for daily English tips, ideas, lessons like this. In the next video we'll discuss how to improve English fluency. So see you in the next video. Thank you.